Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the My Talking Tom Friends game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in My Talking Tom Friends and start your search. Once you find the My Talking Tom Friends game, tap on the install button, and this will now begin the download and installation of the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button or the play button which you can tap on in order to open up the game. Once the game is opened up, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start enjoying the game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the My Talking Tom Friends game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.